In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold on the Peacekeeper Mk1 here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into the gunsmith and go to this customized tab, specifically into the camo section on here. And just make sure you're in the multiplayer tab right here, because these are going to be all the challenges that you have to complete in order to get Shattered Gold here on the Peacekeeper. Now, essentially, these first 9 camos are going to be your headshot challenges. You have to get 80 of them with the Peacekeeper, and you pretty much have to do this on every single weapon in all of Black Ops 7. The method literally is playing objective-based game modes, something like Domination or Hardpoint, for example, and sitting outside of the objective just a little bit to knock out these 80 headshots. This is probably going to be what takes you the longest out of all of these other challenges, because these special camos and of course the Shattered Gold camo itself are pretty easy. So grind out these headshots by playing objective-based game modes, and then we can go ahead and go into the Diamondback challenge, which is actually pretty easy. You just have to have 5 or more attachments equipped and get 50 eliminations. Now, you could play objective for this, or you could do the exact same method for these headshots. Just try and get in smaller maps. Smaller maps is going to make this a lot easier to go and do. Something like Hijacked is super easy, or Nuketown, whenever that does release with Season 1, is going to knock this out quickly. For Raptor, though, you got to get a kill without taking any damage 30 times. This is the same kind of method as the headshot one. Play objective-based game modes, Hardpoint, Domination, and sit outside of the objective just a little bit. I honestly think Hardpoint is the easiest to knock this one out. But essentially, just get 30 kills without taking damage. This one's pretty self-explanatory. Moving on to Mainframe, though, you're going to have to get the Underbarrel launcher attachment equipped, and Hardpoint or Domination on small maps is the way to go with this one. I know it seems a little bit repetitive, but essentially, picture everyone running into B zone on Hijacked, for example. You just got to pull out that Underbarrel launcher and just shoot it in there, and you're going to get a ton of kills, especially during the start of the game, or with Hardpoint. If everyone's in a small Hardpoint, just shoot it in there. You're going to knock this out pretty quickly. Finally, for Shattered Gold, this is supposed to be the hardest challenge in the game. It really isn't. You're going to go back to the exact same method for these military camos right here. So sit outside of the Hardpoint or the Domination zones and just get 3 kills without dying 10 times. It's only 30 kills total. Play safe and camp if you have to. I mean, that is the method for Shattered Gold. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.